Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and today's project I got a wheelbarrow tire that has a pretty good sized hole in it, and we're going to try and patch it up with this TireJect. Gentleman from TireJect sent this kit out to me. I used it in the winter for a couple snow blowers and it seemed to work real well. I also used it to inflate a couple basketballs that were leaking because a dog had chewed on them, and it sealed those up. And we're going to show you guys how this stuff works. It's real easy. It comes with the injector and the valve stem removal tool. So we'll show you the kit. As I said, I used it a couple times. I've been real happy with it, and it's for off-road tires, tubeless tires. It's not made for car tires, and it's good to -10 Fahrenheit, and it's got a 5-year shelf life. This is a gallon bottle, I believe, and it'll do 16 ATV tires or 12 UTV tires, 32 golf cart tires. And on the back, they show you the different equipment that it'll work on, and how many ounces you can quickly look at. So for a wheelbarrow tire like we have, it's going to take 2 ounces. So we'll give it a shot, show you how it works. First step, what we got to do is they give you this little valve stem removal tool. So there's a Schrader valve in here. We'll put that in and we'll remove it. This tire is going to be a little bit difficult because it doesn't have a tube, and the bead usually never seats properly on these wheelbarrow tires. So I think we got that loose. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to inject this in there. We'll put it right through the valve stem. We could just squirt it in here. You can see I'll break the bead there. I could just squirt it in there, but a lot of you guys will probably do this with the tire on the vehicle, and that's probably best to do because you got to rotate the tire once you put it in there. Okay, so we're going to dip this in here. We'll fill it up. It has increments on the side. I got about 2.5 ounces there. And we'll put that right on the valve stem. They make a little plastic adapter that they gave me with the kit, but we don't really need it. You could screw the adapter on and then connect the hose. Might make a little cleaner. This material is water cleanup, so that's real good. Next step here, now that we have that in there, we're going to put back in the valve, and we're going to have to try and seat the bead on this tire. So valve's back in, and the way I do it, at least the way I found the leak, I usually just take a loop of rope and we'll pull this in. So we'll wrap this around the tire, just like that. Put the valve stem out towards me. Looks like a lot of this stuff leaked right out. Hang on, let's put some more of this in there because it leaked out. The bead's not seated. I just want to make sure I have enough in there. So if I get any other holes, it'll seal up good. Alright, hopefully I got enough in there. The wheelbarrow tires probably aren't the best way to use this stuff, but like I said, it is water based, so you don't have to worry about getting it on your hands. I thought it would be real sticky like rubber cement, but it's not. Alright, so I'm just trying to get this thing started on here. And what this will do is pull the bead into the rim so that we can hopefully fill it up with air. I don't know why they don't just put tubes in wheelbarrow tires. I guess they make wheelbarrow tires that are solid. Alright, there's our leak. It's a pretty good size hole. I'm putting my finger over it so it just doesn't all squirt out. Alright. Gonna add a little more air. And here's where the leak is. I'm gonna clean up this mess. Doesn't seem to be leaking at all. I'm just gonna check the pressure. There's about 12 psi. I'll put a little more air in it. We'll see if it'll bubble. There we go. By putting extra pressure in it like that, you're forcing the product out. Now we got closer to 20. And by putting it down, gravity's gonna push that product down there, and that it's like little pieces of Kevlar made by DuPont that get stuck in that hole, fill it in. So we'll flip this up and we'll add a little soapy water. That's good. Got the tire back on the wheelbarrow. One other thing, they give you some caps so that you know that your tire's treated with the TireJect. And our leak is all fixed up, looking good there. And we should be good to go. And if you get any other punctures, the TireJect's in there. It should be good for up to a year and stop any leaks that would happen. Alright guys, so if you're interested in the TireJect system, I will put a link in the description. I'd like to thank TireJect for sending the product out so I could try it out. Thanks for watching guys. Let me know down in the comments what you think. We'll see ya.